Hi students, welcome once again to your online EVS class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, which lesson you have revised for today? Yes, lesson number 3, Air, Water and Weather. Shall I ask some questions from that lesson? Yes, okay.
First question, name 3 main seasons in India. Which are they? Yes, summer, rainy season and winter. Second question, how does water vapor change into water? Yes, water vapor changes to water on cooling. Then identify the forms of water. Can you identify the forms of water? The first picture shows the solid form of water, and next liquid form of water and gaseous form of water.
Very good. Hope all of you can answer my questions very well. Keep studying like this. Children, in our previous classes, we have discussed about the food culture and clothing in India. Hope all of you have understood these topics very well. Today, we are going to discuss an interesting topic. That is about festivals. We all like to celebrate festivals, isn't it? Festivals are the days of celebration. During that time, we will meet our relatives, friends, and we will wear new clothes. And we will eat delicious food also. It's a time of joy, isn't it? So there are different types of festivals in India. So children, today we are going to discuss about religious festival. As you all know, we have different religions in India. For example, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikhs, Jains, Buddhists, etc. Let's discuss about different types of religious festivals today. Okay?
Religious festivals. We have people belonging to different religions in India. The Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Jains, Buddhists and Parsis all celebrate their festivals with great enthusiasm. Navaratri and Dasara. Navaratri and Dasara are important festivals of the Hindus. They are celebrated in different ways in different parts of India. Navaratri is celebrated over a period of 9 days. People worship the goddess Durga during Navaratri. The 10th day of the celebration is called Dasara. Dasara celebrates the defeat of Ravana, the king of Lanka, by Rama, the prince of Ayodhya. It marks the victory of good over evil. Diwali. Diwali is also called the festival of lights. Hindus believe that Rama came back to Ayodhya on this day after defeating Ravana. Numerous diyas, candles and lamps are lit on Diwali night. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped at home in the evening. People share and eat sweets and special food. Some people also light firecrackers. Next, Eid ul-Fitr. Eid ul-Fitr is an important festival of the Muslims. It marks the end of Ramadan, a month-long period of fasting. On Eid, people offer prayers at the mosque and greet each other. They wear new clothes and enjoy a feast, a large meal, with their families and friends. Next is Christmas. On 25th December, people all over the world celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. It is an important festival of the Christians. People buy gifts for their friends and families. They go to the church and pray. They later enjoy a feast at home. Christmas is celebrated with great enthusiasm in India. The Sikhs celebrate the birth anniversaries of the Sikh Guru as Guru Purab, Guru Nanak Jayanti or The birthday of Guru Nanak Dev is one of the main Guru Purabs. Next, other religious festivals. There are several other important religious festivals in India. The birthday of Gautama Buddha is celebrated by the Buddhists as Buddha Purnima. Mahavir Jayanti is an important festival of Jains. It celebrates the birthday of Mahavira.
So children, along with this religious festival, we will also celebrate the harvest festival. What is harvest festival? Children, we get most of our food from crops. So the harvesting of crops we will celebrate. These celebrations are called harvest festivals. The crops are different in different states. So this harvest festival also vary in different states.
Harvest and New Year festivals. We get most of our food from crops. So in India we celebrate the harvesting of crops. These celebrations are called harvest festivals. We also celebrate the beginning of the traditional New Year. This celebration varies from one region to another. First one, Bihu, is a traditional festival of Assam. It is celebrated thrice a year. In January, Bihu is celebrated as a harvest festival. In April, the Assamese people celebrate Bihu to mark the new year. Finally, Bihu is celebrated the third time around October to mark the using up of old stock of grains. So, Bihu is a traditional festival which celebrates thrice a year. In January as harvest festival, then in April Assamese people celebrate Bihu to mark the new year. Then finally third time Bihu celebrated around October to mark the using up of old stock of grain. Next is Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. We all are Keralites and we celebrate Onam as our harvest festival. People decorate their houses with garlands and Pookalam. Pookalam means Rangoli with flowers. There are some special events held during Onam like Vellam Kali or the snake boat race and Pulikkali, that means tiger dance. People wear new clothes and enjoy a traditional Onam feast called Sadhya. So children, we have discussed two types of harvest festival today. Many more harvest festivals are there which we will discuss in our next class.
So children, today we have discussed about some religious festival and also some harvest festivals. Hope all of you have understood today's topic. Children, keep studying, revise the lesson regularly and also read the lesson. Which lesson you have to revise for next day, I will mention in the description box. We'll meet in our next session with a new topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.
Children, revise lesson 2 for the next class.